What's up everybody, Brian with SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and share this with all your friends. Show them what we can do with these magnetic ride control trucks. I've got Chuck standing right here, and he is the owner of this truck. And he made filming for me really hard because he went with the paint correction and the ceramic coating. Really doesn't do well with the camera when it doesn't have anything to focus on. But yeah, have you been you've been driving this thing, right?
Yeah, well, I've got about 600 miles on it and been real happy with it so far. It rides great, and I wouldn't change a thing.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's dive into the build, what we actually did to this truck. So we ended up picking this one up straight from the dealership. Chuck bought it for himself and got everything rolling. I remember the day that we went over there and met with him about what all he wanted to do with this truck. Like I mentioned, this truck does have the magnetic ride control, so it's basically just a block spacer kit that still allows you to keep all that stuff in there. I'll have Billy zoom in on that. You can see some of the wires still going to that, so keeps everything fully intact. And as far as the wheels go, we have these black Rhinos right here. They're a 20 by 9.5. I believe they're a -18. I will clarify that, and I'll put a card in the screen. But we also went with the Nitto Terra Grappler G2s. These are some great all-terrain tires, 35 1250 R20s. And I will place that card in the top right of the screen showing you about these tires. One thing to note about those tires is they do have two different sidewalls, so make sure that you have the same ones going out on each tire. We also did the pocket style fender flares, and these are the ones with the black rivets. Go real well with this truck.
It's shiny.
It's real shiny. But so yeah, this truck is the Carbon Pro 6.2 liter. What the Carbon Pro is GMC's first iteration of the carbon fiber truck bed. So it's resistant to scratches, resistant to dents, so they're doing a lot with that. If you want to come back out here, obviously this is a Denali truck, great looking truck. You can see all the reflections of us in it.
Yeah, so you can really see that ceramic coating.
Yes.
You legit see me plain as day in this truck.
Yeah.
Like, it's crazy.
It's a mirror. Right here. But all right, guys, that's what we got for you. Brian, SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up. Give us a subscribe. And yes, you can absolutely lift these trucks with the magnetic ride control. You don't have to take that out and cause any problems to the truck.